Well, last night I was out doing my thing, trying to make $1, and doing some Uber, DoorDash, and did all right. But do I look happy? If I do, you're looking at me wrong, because I came down here to do that where it'd be nice and warm and sunny. Well, it's like 30 degrees in Miami. 30 degrees. I'm freezing my ass off. I can't find my sweatpants. And so obviously, if you're going to gig work around the country, you need to be a little more prepared. I know I had a pair of sweatpants when I came down here. I don't know what happened to them now, though. Yeah. But the only explanation I have for why the weather's so cold down here is because my friends are assholes, and they're actually getting together in a group in a bar somewhere and got voodoo dolls of me, and they're laying it out there and just rubbing ice all over it. And it has to be something like that, because I think the last time it was this cold in Miami was like at the end of the Ice Age that wiped out the dinosaurs. I don't know. I can't believe it is 30 degrees. It makes it suck, because I was here to go to the beach. I'm not going to the beach at 30 degrees. But anyways, I guess I'll just have to hustle all day today. That way I can stay around here and hit a beach in the next day or two when it warms up. And hopefully then I'll head to the Keys next week. And yeah. Sucks. You guys are ruining my life. I don't know why y'all wish this upon me, but obviously somebody out there hates me. But anyways, time to go to work. Y'all have a good morning. Talk to you later. Bye.